We're still dealing with probability. This one says that Johnny rolls a 12-sided die. We're trying to find out the probability that he rolls either an even number or a number below 5, and it can be either of those, and that's going to become important. Okay, so we want to round our answer. That just means that we need to convert it to a decimal, basically. Okay, so let's look at this. First, we need to find the probability that he gets an even number. Well, it's a 12-sided die, so half of them are going to be an even number, which would be 6 out of 12. There would be a total of 6 even numbers, 12 possibilities. Remember, probability is our desired outcome, in this case an even number, divided by the total number of possibilities. In this case, it's a 12-sided die, so we have 12 different possibilities. Okay, the next thing that we want to try to do is the probability of getting a number that's below 5. So a number below 5 would be 1, 2, 3, or 4. It would not be 5 because that's not below 5. So we'd actually have 4 different possibilities out of 12 to get a number below 5. But some of these actually are counted twice, because if we think about it, 2 is an even number and it's also a number below 5. 4 is an even number and it's also a number below 5. So 1 and 3, nope, neither one of those are or even numbers, excuse me, so we don't have to worry too much about those. So, but we do have a 2 and a 4 that are actually duplicated within here. Okay, they are an even number and they are a number below 5. So we're going to have to remove those out. So the way that we'll do that is find the probability of getting an even number and a number below 5. We'll subtract that. There are 2 different possibilities there, number 2 and number 4. And then we're just going to simplify all this. We've got 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 12, well, that's really 2/3. Now, if it did not specify, then we could just leave it as 2/3. This one did ask us to round it to the nearest thousandth, indicating that we do need to convert it to a decimal, in which case it would be 0.667. Nearest thousandth is 3 decimal places. So that would be your answer on this one. The big thing is just to add the two together, because we can either have an even number or a number below 5, and then figure out if there are any duplicates. If there are, then we have to remove those, and that's all this really did.